We are going to take a look at a Northtech AWEM-300 12-inch end matcher. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. Used wide, end matchers are very hard to find. This Northtech AWEM-300 end matcher has a 12-inch width capacity and an endless length capacity. Length is only limited by weight, which would be 35 pounds per board. It will handle thicknesses from 1/4 of an inch to 1 inch. Basically, this machine is self-fed via the powered in-feed conveyor. It mills the tail end of one board and the leading end of the following board at the same time. It will then automatically index forward. This is done with dual 10 horsepower 40mm spindles with insert tooling. It has variable speed from 0 to 295 feet per minute.